Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to analyze focus patterns using Clockwise AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to analyze focus patterns using Clockwise AI, then all you gotta do is simply go to Clockwise web application at getclockwise.com. So once you go to getclockwise.com, you can simply ensure your Google or Microsoft calendar is connected to it. Once you have done this, you need to now navigate to the analytics. From the home screen, you can simply access the team individual analytic dashboard, and once you have done this, you can simply select a time period as well. You need to choose the time frame you want to analyze, example current week, past month, using the drop down menu or by changing weeks on your calendar interface. You can view individual or team data. You can simply view all your personal metrics, and you can simply get a clearer view of it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.